Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Afner, and today we're going to be learning about. Okay, alright. Oops. So, what do you think oops means? Oops is a short form, and it means object oriented programming. Basically, object means anything. You could say a mouse over here, or this piece of wood over here, or this pen. You guys will see, but this pen. That's object. Oriented means what is its property. So basically, if I talk about a car, probably like Tesla, let's say, what's its property? First thing, it has its windows, seats. What else does it have? It has fuel, which is electric, basically. Wheels, color, which is red. Or it could be any type of color. There's so many things about the properties of Tesla. That's what oriented means. Programming, we have to actually just do the program. Simple. And also, oops means you did a mistake. Oops. I dropped the wood. Oopsie. Okay? So, we're going to do the program. First of all, I'm going to tell the formula. So it's oops, right? Like that. So the formula, basically how do you do it? Class, let's see class name. So your class name can be anything, like let's say vehicle or anything. Oh my bad. Yeah, that's better. Alright, good. Now what we can do is the properties. Pro one, oh my bad. Property one. So we can just say short from pro one. So totally it's not pro, it's property one, okay? If you don't get it, UI, that's better. Okay, it means property. We're doing short form. Property one. Okay, it can be anything. Property two. Property three. Okay. But and so on. You can make as much properties as you want. And now let's say now here's where we start. We're in a school. I have a locker. There in the lock outside of the locker I see a lock. I have to open that to get my stuffs. So what can I do? I have to use an object I have to have a, my bad, I have to have an object that can access the property so I can open the locker, get my stuffs, and go to class. That is a key. Open the lock, take out your locker, get all the stuffs, go to class, done. So we need an object to access the properties. Without the objects, we can't access the properties. Okay? So object one, object two, I'm writing short form, object three, and you can write many more. Then do your print statement. Okay? So that's pretty simple. Print statement we don't need to do, so let's just get straight into it. Class. So I want to first make a vehicle. Vehicle. After that, after I use branding, or else how am I supposed to know? How am I supposed to know what brand it is? Is it Tesla, Lamborghini, or you could say Bugatti, Lamborghini Reyes? There's a lot. Okay. So, like, yeah, brand equals to Tesla. Tesla's pretty popular. I mean, not that popular, but it's a good car because it's auto drive. Then wheels. We're not. What are we doing now, guys? Tell me in the comments below. So if you got it correct, yes, we're writing the properties. And the next one is what? The color. Because Tesla's color can be blue, green, red, black, orange, pink. Okay, not orange or pink, but could be. You just don't know. Red. This might be a short video, probably 2 minutes, I think, approximately 2 minutes. Now, what do you guys think for the last one? Oh, can I drive it? What is it? Fuel, basically. That's the property. Fuel. Now, what is the fuel? Like, ooh, is this manual? I don't need to drive it at all. If you guys guessed it, electric. Electric, not electronic. Then, the objects. We need the objects to access these properties. So we can probably do just, you can add like many objects, okay? So we'll just say object one there. And so, you can just use one object or more, okay? So that's why I put one there, one object, if you see. Now we have the object. What is the object first? So we want to unlock a brand. Car equals to. Now what I have to do, I haven't told you this yet, but object one equals a class name and parentheses. So what do we have to do here? Tell me in the comments. If you guys got this correct, yes is vehicle parentheses. If you got that correct. Subscribe and also like if you got it correct too. Now we just have to print my car brand. Oh, my bad. Oh, brand is what? Now I haven't told you this, but car dot. Now I can write any object, wheels, color, fuel. But I'm writing car brand, so I can't write for. There's no such thing as that. I can't write red. I can't write electric brand. So basically Tesla brand. Okay, let me just check. Okay, this is correct. Yeah, I was just checking his spelling. Good, it's fine. See, my car brand is Tesla. Done. Now I want to change this into probably how many wheels I have. First of all, actually Control Z. What I can do, copy the same thing. No, not copy. And my total wheels are how much? For that, you guys know what to do. We can just use one object to access all the properties, but you can use more if you want. Okay? We can basically all these properties, brand, Tesla, color, and fuel. Okay? But if you have more objects, like let me because let's talk about an airplane. Airplane does not have four wheels, right? It has six, basically. So I have four here. If I want to put another object, how do I do this? We'll talk about that probably in another video, or if I can, probably my next video, if quick. I mean early, and my total wheels are wheels. Let me check if I spelled that right. Yep, I did. Yeah, see? It's easy. Now I can just say color fuel. Okay? I can do that. Okay, and then the color is red. And color is, guys, it's the color red. Yes. Nice. Cool. Then, and my fuel, gosh, fuel is car dot what? Fuel. So my car brand is Tesla, and my total wheels are 4, and my color is red, and my fuel is electric. My bad. Okay, so thank everyone for listening about OOPS, which is object-oriented programming. Okay, guys, I hope you liked it, and bye.